we have our head all put together and done. The last thing we want to do is we want to put these ears on, and I put these blocks on here so when I screw these in they don't slide on me. So we're going to glue it, and I'm going to use a 1-inch screw to hold them on there. What's happening? And again, we then set this so we can put the screw down in, then we can cover it up with putty. Okay, so we'll glue it to keep it from rotating on us, and we'll screw it in so if you bump it, it won't knock it off. Put this in here where I need it to go because I measured it and marked it. So we'll put this in. And then we'll do the same with the other side. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Tighten them down a little bit. Okay, we got these on. Take these blocks off. And then now I'm going to give it a real good sanding, and then we'll be ready to seal it. Thanks for watching.